Italy, officially known as the Italian Republic, is a country located in southern Europe. It is renowned for its rich history, cultural heritage, art, and cuisine. The country is known for its influence on Western culture, particularly during the Renaissance period, with figures like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo. Italy is also famous for its fashion, art, literature, and music. Surrounded by the Mediterranean Sea and bordered by France, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia, Italy offers a diverse landscape and climate that attract millions of visitors each year. Now let's explore the must-visit places in beautiful Italy. Firstly, Rome. When coming to must-visit cities in Italy, Rome stands as a true testament to the grandeur of the ancient world. The city's iconic Colosseum, one of the 7 wonders of the modern world, echoes with the history of Rome's imperial past, where gladiators once battled for glory. Just a short distance away lies Vatican City, the spiritual heart of the Roman Catholic Church. Here, you'll find the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica, the magnificent Sistine Chapel with Michelangelo's breathtaking ceiling, and a vast collection of art within the Vatican museums. As you explore, don't miss the Pantheon, an ancient Roman temple with a perfectly preserved dome that continues to inspire awe. And, of course, no visit to Rome is complete without tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain, ensuring your return to this enchanting city. While you're in Rome, be sure to indulge in some of the local culinary delights. Try cacio e pepe, a simple yet flavorful pasta dish, and supli, delicious fried rice balls that are a Roman favorite. The city enjoys a Mediterranean climate, with hot summers and mild winters, making it a great destination year-round. Getting around Rome is easy, thanks to its extensive public transportation system, which includes buses, trams, and the metro, allowing you to explore every corner of this historic city with ease. Secondly, Florence. Florence, the capital of Tuscany and the birthplace of the Renaissance. This city is a true treasure trove of art and architecture, where history and culture come alive. As you wander through Florence, you can't miss the iconic Duomo, Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. With its stunning red-tiled dome, a masterpiece of engineering by Brunelleschi that dominates the skyline. For art lovers, a visit to the Uffizi Gallery is a must. Here, you'll find masterpieces by the likes of Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Leonardo da Vinci, making it one of the most significant art museums in the world. And then there's Ponte Vecchio, the oldest and most famous bridge in the city, lined with charming shops selling jewelry and souvenirs. A perfect spot to capture the essence of Florence. Don't forget to stroll through Piazza della Signoria, the political heart of the city. This is where you'll find the imposing Palazzo Vecchio, standing tall as a symbol of Florence's rich history. While you're here, be sure to indulge in the local flavors. Try the bistecca alla fiorentina, a deliciously thick Florentine steak, and treat yourself to some authentic gelato as you soak in the artistic ambiance that fills the air. Florence enjoys a mild climate, with warm summers and cool winters, making it a delightful city to explore year-round. The city is wonderfully walkable, allowing you to take in its beauty at your own pace. But if you need to cover more ground, Florence's public transportation system, including buses and trams, is both convenient and efficient. Next, going to Venice. Venice, often referred to as La Serenissima, is a mesmerizing city built on a network of over 100 small islands, all connected by a labyrinth of canals and bridges. The Grand Canal, Venice's main artery, is lined with stunning Renaissance and Gothic palaces, offering a glimpse into the city's rich history. One of the most famous crossings over this waterway is the Rialto Bridge, a true architectural gem. At the very heart of Venice lies St. Mark's Square, home to the breathtaking St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Italo-Byzantine architecture with its ornate domes and intricate mosaics. Adjacent to the basilica is the Doge's Palace, a Gothic marvel that once served as the residence of the Doge and the seat of the Venetian government, complete with lavish rooms and stunning art. Venice is also renowned for its traditional crafts. A visit to Murano Island will introduce you to the world of Venetian glassmaking, where artisans have been creating beautiful glassworks for centuries. Murano Island, with its vibrant, colorful houses, is famous for its intricate lace-making traditions, offering a charming and picturesque experience. Culinary enthusiasts will be delighted by Venice's local dishes, such as sarde in sore, sweet and sour sardines, and risotto al nero di seppia, squid ink risotto, both embodying the flavors of the lagoon. Venice enjoys a humid subtropical climate, with mild winters and warm summers, making it an inviting destination year-round. The best way to explore this enchanting city is on foot, allowing you to meander through its narrow streets and hidden alleys, or by taking a Vaporetto water bus, offering a unique perspective from the water. Number 4. Milan. Milan, the fashion and financial capital of Italy, is a city where modernity seamlessly blends with historical significance. Dominating the skyline is the Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, a breathtaking Gothic structure adorned with intricate spires. Climbing to the rooftop offers stunning panoramic views of the city, making it a must-visit landmark. Just a short distance away, you'll find Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper in the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie. This masterpiece, renowned worldwide, draws art lovers to witness the iconic depiction of Christ and his disciples. For those seeking a touch of luxury, the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is a must-see. One of the oldest shopping malls in the world, this 19th-century arcade is a hub for high-end shopping and fine dining, all set within a beautifully ornate structure. Milan is also home to La Scala, one of the most famous opera houses globally, where exceptional performances continue to captivate audiences. While exploring the city, be sure to indulge in local culinary delights such as osso buco, a traditional Milanese dish, and panettone, especially popular during the festive season. Milan experiences a humid continental climate, with hot summers and cold, foggy winters, making it a city of contrasting seasons. Navigating Milan is convenient, thanks to its efficient public transportation system, which includes buses, trams, and the metro, allowing you to explore all that this vibrant city has to offer. Finally, the Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is undoubtedly one of Italy's most picturesque and breathtaking regions, celebrated for its dramatic cliffs, charming villages, and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea. This coastal area is a haven for those seeking natural beauty combined with rich history and culture. One of the crown jewels of the Amalfi Coast is the town of Positano, often described as a vertical city because of how its pastel-colored houses cascade down the steep cliffs to the azure sea below. The visual spectacle of Positano from afar is almost surreal, with its narrow, winding streets filled with boutiques, cafes, and art galleries that make exploring the town a delight. Further along the coast, perched high above the sea, is Ravello, a town that offers some of the most breathtaking views you will ever encounter. Known as a retreat for artists and composers, Ravello is home to two magnificent gardens, Villa Ruffolo and Villa Simbrone. These gardens not only provide a peaceful escape but also stunning panoramas of the coastline that stretch as far as the eye can see. Villa Simbrone's Infinity Terrace is particularly famous for offering one of the most awe-inspiring views in the world. The town of Amalfi itself, once a powerful maritime republic, is another must-see destination on the coast. At its heart is the Amalfi Cathedral, a striking example of medieval architecture with its Arab Norman influences. The cathedral's grand staircase and stunning facade are captivating, and inside, you'll find a blend of Baroque and Renaissance artistry. When it comes to food, the Amalfi Coast does not disappoint. Be sure to try limoncello, a zesty lemon liqueur that is the perfect refreshment on a warm day, and sfogliatella, a delicious pastry that is crispy on the outside and filled with sweet ricotta. The Amalfi Coast enjoys a Mediterranean climate, characterized by hot, sunny summers and mild, pleasant winters, making it an attractive destination year-round. However, because of the region's mountainous terrain, transportation can be a bit challenging. The winding coastal roads offer unforgettable views but require careful navigation, whether by car, bus, or ferry. Ferries, in particular, provide a scenic and efficient way to travel between the coastal towns, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty of the region from the water.